Let me show you how I created this simple, mature makeup look for a date night, minimal products, and everything really affordable. I am so glad that you're here. If you're new here, my name's Dawn. I'm from Just Doing My Best. I'm 56. Today we're gonna create a really easy, mature eye makeup look for date night. I'm going to list everything that I'm gonna use down in the description below. And the first thing that we're going to use is one of my very favorite eyeliners. And this is the Milani Stay Put eyeliner in the color Semi-Sweet. Semi-Sweet chocolate, so it's a dark brown. I rarely wear black eyeliner. On my mature skin, I'm losing color. So I feel like dark, super dark black eyeliner just is a little harsh for me. I've had super good luck with Milani Stay Put eyeliners. They really do stay exactly where you put them. So let's start there. I am going to line the first third or the first half of just my upper eyelid. Doesn't have to be perfect and it doesn't have to be super precise. I'm using a short, flat definer brush, and the first thing I'm going to do is just smudge that, and I am going to smudge it a little bit further over. I do not like to line all the way to the inner corner. I really feel like that gets muddy, and you can definitely see more mistakes on the inner corner. So that's why I really like to bring it over just by smudging. Smudging is a really good way to get a really pretty look without a lot of skill and effort. Now I'm going to create a little bit of a wing in the corner using this flat definer brush. You can either pick up some of the color on your brush just by smudging that and then stamping a little wing, or I'm just going to rub this flat definer brush on the end of this eyeliner. And I'm just going to stamp, just set it down and sweep it toward the eye. And you're using this lower lash line as a guide. Do as much or as little as you want, and can you see it's like there's one continuous line? Now, if you've been here before or you follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Just Doing My Best, I show a lot of makeup tips and everything over there also. You know, I often do not put a lot underneath the eye. I feel like if you get too heavy-handed underneath the eye, it can really close your eye. Plus, a lot of that makeup underneath your eye tends to migrate, just emphasizing the dark circles. I don't need any help emphasizing the dark circles. So I'm not really going to put a lot underneath there, but I am going to apply mascara. But since we're not going to put a lot of makeup underneath the eye, this is how we're going to cheat it and give ourselves a little bit more depth. I'm going to stick with my same eyeliner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to line under my top lash, just really packing on more liner just at that baseline underneath my lashes. That really does a lot to give your lashes a little bit more depth, give your makeup look a little bit more depth and emphasis, and creating a little bit longer looking lash as well. That is sure not a pretty look when you're doing that. Because we want to keep things super simple, I'm only going to use one color eyeshadow. This is just a single pot color from Ulta. This one is actually called Petite. It's a very fair, barely there, slightly pink color. And I'm just going to use it from lash to brow. I generally stick to one color, like I said, a very pale, barely there color on my lid anyway, because I feel like it de-emphasizes the fact that I'm very hooded, and it just puts the emphasis on my eyeliner and my lashes, which is what I want. Before I apply mascara, I'm going to put just a touch of highlighter right in the center of the lid. Not a lot, just a touch of something, just a little shimmery, because it's a date night. You know what? We might as well just throw some of this over here on the top of our cheekbone too. Why not? I just put a little bit of that highlighter right there. I don't want to have too broad of strokes because sometimes those highlighter particles can land in your fine lines and wrinkles, and that just emphasizes that I do not need any help with the emphasis of the fine lines and the wrinkles and the dark circles. No, thank you. I'm going to apply 2 coats of mascara on the top, but let's chat for a minute before we do the bottom lashes. Before I forget, on my lips, I am using the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in the color Oh Snap. And then over the top of it, I'm using the Neutrogena Moisture Shine Lip Soother. I love this for a gloss in the summertime because it has SPF 20. I am using my favorite mascara, which is the Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara. I love this. I just love the way it makes my lashes look, and it just washes off with soap and water. I love it. On the bottom, for these bottom lashes, because we didn't put any makeup down here, I really want to put a lot of emphasis at the base of the lash. So on the top, I went all the way from root to tip. I don't really want to do that on the bottom. I'm going to go in with the lash brush, and I'm going to really focus on the inside. Focus the mascara mostly at the base of the lash. See how easy that is? Just, it almost gives the effect of a little bit more eyeliner without even using it. Plus, some of that liner that we put underneath migrates down just a little bit so that you have that on the lower waterline. So it kind of creates a little bit more of a smoldery makeup look. I really love that look with minimal effort. If you liked this simple, mature, glam eye makeup look, I hope that you'll like this video. Check out this video next for another super simple eye look for our mature eyes. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.